Hey babes, it's the real Miss Savage and I'm back here with another vlog for you guys. So if you've been listening to my last vlog, you already know I'm in the process of transitioning and preparing to basically change shifts. So I've just been doing a lot of preparation today, and today I wanted to start my day with some Starbucks coffee and some pastries. So I stopped over at Panera because they have the best pastries. If you're a suburban girl, you just already know this is just a part of a suburban girl ritual, okay? So let's get into it. I went ahead and went to Starbucks to go get me a latte. I'm just in a space in my life where I'm not settling for anything, and I think I just have to sever the relationship with Dunkin Donuts at this point. Just upgrade me to Starbucks. So I did just that this morning and went ahead and upgraded myself to some Starbucks. Pricing was better, environment was cleaner, service was faster. No regrets. I got me a hot chai latte with almond milk, a shot of French vanilla, and whipped cream. And it was really delightful. And I thought about getting me a mug, but I didn't see one that quite fit my personality. But they do have a lot of good mugs there. The cheapest one I seen was like $22.99, whatever your preference is. But yeah. So I grabbed me a hot chai latte, and I also grabbed two pastries. I grabbed an apple croissant and a cheese pastry, like a cream cheese pastry, which was pretty good. I love how they put your name on everything and they spell it right, okay? That's my little pastries and my little chai latte. And this was the environment. You know, it's where you go into a Starbucks and it's not completely cram packed. So I like that it wasn't too crazy in here. In and out without a doubt. My next task at hand is to go ahead and get my dinner prepared for what I'm going to take to lunch. And I'm going to go ahead and get some steak defrosted. And I'm going to make some steak, some Brussels sprouts, and some corn, and maybe some sweet potatoes to take with me along with work. And oh, this is Michael Jordan and my uncle's playing basketball. It's funny, I come from a basketball fanatic family, so it's just interesting they ran into Michael Jordan a few years ago. I just thought that was funny to include. So aside from the dinner that I'm going to bring, I also am going to bring some snacks. Mind you, I don't eat all of these snacks in one night, but these do last me like a few different shifts, maybe like 3 or 4 shifts. So here's the snacks that I'm going to bring with me, and you're going to see me kind of sanitize my lunch pail after. I got some gummy worms, some chocolate covered pretzels, and some extra pretzels like Parmesan and Gouda cheese pretzels. Don't sleep on those are really good. I normally eat those two together, the Gouda cheese pretzel bites and the chocolate covered pretzels. That's tea. And make sure you clean off your lunch pail after you finish packing it and just throughout your work week, because you know it can get messy and you just want to keep it sanitary. So I went ahead and wiped it down after I got it packed and got everything together. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm in my content room, so I apologize about the lighting from this angle and in this area. I haven't quite figured out the lighting for my content room yet, so just bear with me as I figure out what's going to be best for my lighting when I record content in my content room. So I'm just getting my little lunch prepared, packing it all up, squeezing everything in there, make sure everything is secure, and I go ahead and secure the bag and get to wiping. Make sure everything is nice and sanitized before the end of the night, and I'll be ready to rock and roll. And this is going to be my little snack pack aside from the actual lunch that I'm going to bring with me. And I'll make another separate video for when I make my steak dinner tonight. Alright y'all, so I want to go ahead and try this sweet spiked wine cocktail with you guys. If you guys watched my last vlog yesterday, a Slims Girl diet, what a Slim Girl eats in a week, you will know that I purchased this wine yesterday. Okay, I normally drink a white Riesling, but I wanted to try something different, you know. Nothing like trying something new, so let's go ahead and give it a shot. I already know we got the crystal glasses on deck. Let's go ahead and get her open. Oh, and welcome to my content room. So yeah, this is my content room, and you guys never really get to see this part. I always have the background set up, but you see the background over there. All right. So like I said, it's a wine cocktail, 17% alcohol, sweet red blend with hints of caramelized orange. And it's good chilled. They say you can drink it chilled, you can drink it over iced, or you can drink it garnished. It's however you like to get down. That's what it says. It's however you like to get down. That's what it says on the bottle. So let's get ready to get into it, y'all. Yeah, a spiked rich red blend with a rush of fruity flavor and a little bit of heat. All right, let's pour it up and give it a shot. And then you gotta cheers, cheers. Cheers. To lifestyle transformation and getting everything we desire, everything our hearts desire. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Okay. Definitely a red wine. Definitely a red wine, okay? It is nice and sweet, what I like. I don't like anything bitter. I don't get any bitterness in the taste. No bitterness. Yeah, that's nice and smooth. Ooh, I like that. We can get with this. We like this. Okay, we can add that to the collection. So it is good. No complaints there. Make sure you pick this up from your local store. If you like wines and you like something a little bit sweet, try this girl out. Sweet, get you there. As my recommendation, it has the Miss Savage sign. I'll sign off on this one. Alright guys, well that was the end of this video, and it's the real Miss Savage, not coming to you with nothing average, you already know. So I hope you guys been enjoying this vlog with me. Today we did a Starbucks run. I've done some laundry. I'm really just getting prepared because I'm starting my life transition today. I'll be working the overnight shifts, so I have a lot more time to be creative and do the things that I want to do. And I only work a few days a week now, so I get to focus on myself as a content creator. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. It's the real Miss Savage, and I'm not here to talk to you about nothing average.